We are very happy to launch our Sadhguru at Retail ERP product today, which primarily focuses on a full-blown ERP solution for retail industry. It encompasses all the functional modules which is needed today for a very active, strategic-oriented retail company. It has the modules like the merchandising, very advanced alerts and forecast. It has modules for POS, point of sale solution. It has a very nice supply chain solution as well as CRM built in. It has regular other modules like backend modules like the financing, the HRM and payroll, and the service module for warranty management. It also has an international hire purchase module linked to it for credit financing. The whole system is built on an Oracle platform on a 3-tier technology with Fusion middleware bundled into it. It has a very nice presence in terms of various business drivers that could be taken care by way of business intelligence. It's a solution which is built to international standards. We have spent close to over 5,000 man-months in building this product over a period of last 10 years. And I'm very happy that we have very successfully launched this product to a very premier European retail chain in Pacific Islands, and we hope to gain more market share over a period of time. It's a product fully built on strategy, fully built on supply chain innovation, and we are very happy that we could build a lot of new innovations into the product. We also bundle a lot of handheld and other devices for ensuring efficiency at the last leg. This product has been fully funded internally. Our consulting practice has really grown so big that it really paved the way for funding this product. We have funded this product internally over the last 10 years. We are also into technology transfer, which we do internationally in terms of global part 1 to part 2 countries. We have been a player in that field for the last 25 years and has been a largest repository of technologies. We do find complementary funding of technologies when it is relevant to a particular country. We use several devices which helps do stock take at various locations. We also use devices which helps do customer relationship management by way of loyalty card management in terms of in-store as well as out-store operations.